I am beyond excited to announce that I have been selected to join Cecred's Pro Affiliate Program. Cecred is not just another brand. Seriously, it feels like a movement. They've developed patent-pending technology, they have done the research, the clinical studies are great. This collaboration is really important for me as a certified trichologist because they align with my values as well, which is combining science-backed hair care with holistic practices that we have used for generations. It's about transformation, it's about building confidence. You're looking for the products that I use, here they are. So use my code, THEBRANDONEXPERIENCE, or click on any of my links that take you to Cecred's website so that you can have free shipping on your first order. And the good news is there's no order minimum. I literally bleach my hair twice in one day so that I can show you all how you can maintain healthy hair by using the right products along with an amazing hair care routine. If you've used these products before, or if I use them in the salon, please let them know in the comments what you think. My name is Brandon. I am your certified trichologist and now Cecred Pro affiliate. Send me a screenshot of your order. I feel like this is going to get crazy, but within the first, let's say 2 weeks of me launching this, so 2 weeks from today, I will give you a personal mini consultation on how to use your products from Cecred. That's how passionate I am about helping you all out. And this collaboration with Cecred is allowing me to get products to you all that I truly believe in. And I just can't wait to show you all I have in store.